Hi everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. So in this video, I will show you that how you can create a menu for logged-in users and how you can add different menu for logged-out users. So let's get started. So first, we have to click on this Edit Site option. This will load the builder. So here is our builder. So in the search box, we can search for the header as we will modify the header. So here is our header option. And now we have to click on this pen icon to edit this header. So here is our header. We have navigation and other things. So now we have to click on this list view option. So this list view option will help us to access all separate blog. So you can see I have site title, navigation, pages, then buttons. So here you can see that in this login button is only for logged out users and the dashboard button is for logged in users. So we will do the same thing for our navigation, that I want a navigation that will be for logged in users and I want another navigation that will be for logged out users. So what we have to do, we have to create a new navigation that will be for logged out users. So with the help of block editor, we can easily create our second navigation. So we have to click on this plus icon and then we have to search for navigation. So here it is. So here is the navigation. Now you can modify the navigation as per your requirements. If you don't like some pages, you can delete that or you can add that. So this navigation will be for logged in users and the second navigation will be for logged out users. So now I don't want that my terms of use page will be for logged out users. So we have to select that page and we have to delete it. So now it's ready. So I want this navigation will be for logged out users. So do these things, what we have to do, we have to select a specific navigation as I have two navigation. So first I have to select a navigation. Then I have to create a group. So here is my navigation and I will click on this three dot option. You can see here is the navigation and here is the three dot. So I have to click on group. So first I have to create a group. Then when I create a group, I will be able to see an enrollment visibility option. And you can see this is displayed to everyone. That means this navigation can this visible for all of the users, but I don't want that. I want this will display to logged out users. So I will select that logged out user option. And now you can see this blog is for logged out users. So we will do the same thing for our first navigation, that we have to select that navigation. So we have to select that, then we'll have to click on that three dot option and then group. So it's done. So another thing, now we have to select this display to option to logged in users. So it's done. Another thing I want to show you, that you can see that my second navigation is not bold, it's a normal font. So what we have to do, I want to make it bold. So we have to click on this circle, then we have to click on this three dot, then we have to choose appearance, three dot, then appearance. Oops, not this option. So I will select again this block, then we have to click on circle, then we have to three dot, then in this, from this option we have to select the appearance, then we have to select bold. So now it's good to go. And now we will click on this save option because our menu is ready. And if I visit my website now, you will see the menu for logged in users. So here is the menu that is for logged in users. So I will sign out from here to see that how it look like for logged out users. So I will sign out from here. So here's my menu that is for logged out user. I have specific pages that is visible for out users and the login button. So I hope this video will helpful for you. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.